What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be running some trains. I'm just going to decouple this one and put this back to the side. I'm just testing some new stuff with little trains such as this little steamy, which is very cute. I want to figure out a place to put this, all these catches. I think I'm going to separate them out. Just like that. Take the rear off that. So I think it would fit into somewhere. So Charlie and my dad are currently out at a football tournament. So I'm just recording. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. Oh no, don't come up with the steamer. No. The only problem with these like Hornby carriages and Hornby trains, just couple up too easily. Put them back on the rails. And I think these will slide into cute places. Oh, there's Brian in the background. She does have bark competitions with other dogs, so beware of that. I'm just going to go and put this back in over here. So, and then we're going to get the lid. And now we are going to. So obviously the 56 is out and running with the Virgin Hippo carriages there. So, how I'm going to do this, I don't know. Ooh. Right, so turn this round, couple that up, take that out. Take that one out. Get my spool. This is just so I can bring the 56 over to this line. Oh, actually, because I'm going to need to get the shunter out. Oh no. I think I know how to do this. So now that's out the way of the points. Take that, take that. And then I can So 56 is coming on. Breakfast details. There it is. What the heck? So I bring this back. This is probably my favourite design of carriage. So I'm just going to uncouple these. So the 56 is on the rails. Just going to push these around here. So right there. And then I'm going to bring the 56 back. Side up. Right, because so I'm going to just turn it this way, turn into its little siding. Into the dipper. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The 153. 153 is playing up. Right. I'll put that there for now into this little. I'm over here. Right. So let's finish off putting this into its little side. 56 is in its side. And now what I'm going to do is bring the shunter out. Could be making its YouTube debut here. Class 20. For now. Where do I put these? Right. Go over here. Right, this way. I didn't think this through. So that on now. That on. And oh no. Issue. Some of those things around the steam is broke down over there, so I'm just going to push the Pullman carriage over. If I couple up with it, I'll bring it round. There we go. Oh no! Wait, what the hell am I doing? Steamy. So, you guys keep an eye on the steamer. I'm gonna put it in front of you. Okay, actually, I'm gonna give you a better one. Just a we flipped us open. You guys take care of this steamy. Just while I sort this out. I'm bringing it over to dance perfect. So push that back a tad. They fit into that. I think I know what I'm gonna have to do. Going to uncouple from that. Put one back in those. Bring this one on top. So we've got. Oh no, I think I've got. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, the steamer's in front of me. Yeah, I'm talking about what's going on. Right, so the steamer can actually. You still have a view of the steamer. You can have look. You can have a look at the front of it. There. So 20 is there. I need to bring. Because I'm very small, I need a stool. Yeah. And I got a new trim, guys. It's some skin fade, and I really like it. So, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna uncouple these. And send them back. And put this one. Bring it this way. bring this over here so I can put it on the track a bit more easy. The 68 Thunderbird is going to come out. Oh, that was close. I almost forgot that. And just let me sign up. The 68 hasn't been out this morning, so it will come out for a little. Oh, crap. It went the wrong way and off the tracks. I'm small. Aha, I'm taller. Wait, I've got my tips around the shot. No, I can't seem to get on my phone shot. So small I am. So 68. No. Pushing the carriage. Why the living hell has it derailed? And this isn't all the track that we're going to lay, because we are going to have like a place where steamies will be able to sit. It's going to be down there behind me. Yeah, I did it. I'm just going to look at it. 68. It's just going to continue on. You guys are lucky. You get to see the 68. Incredibly lucky. If you do like me as a YouTuber and my trains, 68 here, steamy. The Pendolino, which moves uncontrollably. Oh, I don't think I've showed you the Pendolino. Sorry. There's the Pendolino. Ooh. There's the 1.3. There's the 68. There's the steamy. There's two Pullman carriages. There's the Intercity. There's a 153 behind it. And 158. There's a 91. The small Pendolino. And, trying to see the best of all, West Coast Railway carriage. And over here, you're literally getting like a tour of my railway. Currently. Then you can see the west. It's very cool. We do have a lot more. They're not out at the moment. But yeah, we have a lot more. Right, let's put you back. Can't have any more me being silly. I'm gonna show you my haircut. Ooh. 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 Ooh, it's cool. And there's a scar on my head there. Well, a couple of years ago, my brother pushed me to try and make me do a backwards roly-poly, and I cracked my head open. There was like a blood pool on a rug, and we had to get rid of it. So, well, it happened. So, nothing I can do about it now. Right, enough about me. Let's go back to the work. Right. Instead of all this shunting, we just take the carriages off and just run some trains. Yeah, I would do that. It'd be more interesting for you guys. You guys are important. To me. I know I have been more of a shorts creator recently. Because I'm lazy. And yeah. Also in this video, I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Mason. He has his own YouTube channel. He's a lot popular than me. Ricks, I think. Yeah. So I'll put a link to his channel in the description down below. Yeah. Right, let's get running. So, what would look good with the HST? Oh, right. Because the HST power car that we had for this, the inside engine's on fire, basically. So we can't really use that. So we could use the 56. We could use a 47. That's probably something you want to see, isn't it? Yes, you want to see. Oh, God, long way. Right, so this is going to come back this way. We will. I'm going to turn the lights off. It's going to look like a nighttime running session. Right, be right back. I'm going to get the 47 and turn the lights off. Where have I put the 40? Where have I put the 47? There. Just this one. I think I'll use this one. Yeah, it looks cool. It's gone darker. The door's open, so. Why the heck did I get the swallow coders? Oh, that's in the way. That's a 91. Right, so we're gonna put the 47 onto the rails. Move that so you can see. That's 47. This one. Put that over there. And small. Connect it. So if I just wheel these around. Just hoping it doesn't break down. Like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back. Oh, of course. It derailed. Thankfully it was the carriage. So, ooh, I'm going to show you. This is the first two runners. Dapple class 68 in transplant livery. Class 47 in intercity livery with Royal Engineers Postal and Courier Services. And you've got Virgin carriage, another Virgin carriage, on the end, so the HST at the end. And the job done like eventually. So yeah, put you back and then we'll get running. We're gonna start off with the 68. So there goes the 68. Wait, I'm gonna send it the other way. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? We need to take the 47 off there. Just take the carriages off. Take the Virgin off. Change of plan. We've had a major change in plan. The 47 no longer going to run. But it's going to sit on the trail here. So you can have a little look at it and admire it. If you like it. If not, you just focus on the other locos whizzing around. I might bring out the 153. Should I bring out the 153? Yeah, let's do it. Pick it up. Plop onto the track. So we have 2. We have 1 new runner. On the rails. Whoa. The class 153. Oh, the 153 is going to start. That's loud. There goes the 68. I'll move you. I'm going to show you. Surely one's coming. Oh, there's the 153. Oh, and the 68's above my head. Oh, intense. Right. We're going to do some cool shots. And then for the 68 as well. There's the 153. And then back you go. Right. 3 cool shots. What's the time? Oh my god, I'm having time. You guys, we're going to place them at half power each to enjoy. The current time of recording is 10:18. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring these around for you guys. There's 1. And there's 2. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!